Hey, what's up my friends? There are two things you need to know about this Hori Hori knife before you buy it. I'm going to talk about those two things in just a second, but first, let's go over some of the features and what it's been like to actually use this thing. So as you can see, it comes in a really nice canvas heavy-duty sheath. Now this sheath also has a belt loop on it, so you can throw it on your belt, have it at your disposal at any moment. I love having it in this sheath because I just put it on my side when I'm out doing my gardening, and then it's always available for me. It does have a heavy duty snap holder right here, so it's not gonna accidentally come out when you're walking around. There's nothing worse than looking all over your garden or all over your yard for a knife that has a brown handle and a black blade, because it tends to blend in. So keeping a hold of this is crucial. And it also has a protector right here that goes against your side, so that when you are sliding it in, you don't accidentally scrape into your skin or your shirt or something like that. And it really glides in nice. So when I open this up, we pull the knife out. One of the things I love about the way that most of these knives are made, and this is no exception, is that this nice wood handle right here fits nicely into the hand. It's comfortable to work with. It's actual wood, so it feels natural and it looks really nice. There's also a hole here where you can put a leash on it if you want to put something on your wrist or something like that and hold on to it that way. Now the blade is a very strong stainless steel, and you have multiple tools on the blade here. So you have a fish hook knife blade right here. So this is nice for cutting cord or anything that you need to run into that blade and cut. That's super helpful. You also have a straight blade here on this side. It is fairly sharp, and it goes mostly to the tip. So the area of the blade is from about right here to about right here. This is nice for cutting into packages or cutting into, again, cords or things like that. Now you also have a serrated knife on the other side right here. This is great for if you need to saw any small stems or anything like that. And then of course the whole thing is a shovel shape right here. This is perfect for planting. I love this thing for planting because you do have your inch measurements right here. So anytime those seed packets or your planting starts or something like that, you can measure the depth of the hole that you need, and then you can dig to that point, stick it into that point, shovel the dirt out, and then you have the perfect sized hole that you need in order to do your planting. I have to tell you, this is my absolute go-to gardening tool. I love this thing. It has multiple uses. I use it all the time, and I always have it with me when I'm in the yard. So my friends, I hope this video has been helpful in deciding whether or not this is the right Hori Hori knife for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you grab one, I hope you love it as much as I do. Thank you so much, everybody. Peace.